Danske Bank Platinum Credit Card Denmark app. The pros, the cons. The Danske Bank Platinum Credit Card is one of Denmark's most premium financial products designed for customers who want luxury, security, and convenience all in one place. But is it really worth the prestige? Let's explore the pros and cons so you can decide for yourself. Starting with the pros. The Danske Bank Platinum Card comes with extensive travel insurance that covers you and your family almost anywhere in the world. You'll also get purchase protection, extended warranty, and global acceptance thanks to the MasterCard network. One of its biggest perks is access to Lounge, giving you entry to hundreds of airport lounges worldwide. Plus, you get concierge service for booking hotels, tickets, and more. The Danske Bank app makes managing the card simple, giving you real-time spending alerts and easy control over your finances. Now for the cons. The annual fee is quite high, and while the benefits are excellent, they are only valuable if you travel frequently. Interest rates on unpaid balances can also be steep, so carrying debt isn't ideal. And for everyday users, the rewards or cashback features are minimal compared to international competitors. So woe's it for? The Danske Bank Platinum Credit Card is perfect for professionals, frequent travelers, and anyone who values premium service and global access. The surprising truth? If you take full advantage of the travel perks, insurance, and lounge access, the card easily pays for itself. But if you mostly stay local, a simpler card may serve you better.